Hi dear viewer, Review India welcome you to review of Boat Airdopes 441. I got a yellow one from Amazon for 1899 rupees. This is a show around raw video of this device. You can understand the general look and feel of this device. Please like, follow and subscribe Review India for many more such videos. Here you can see the earbuds that are kept in a good position in the boat box. Boat box is sturdy, strong and has 500 mAh battery. You will feel secure with the quality of this product. We have shown you how the product feels to the end user here. Please provide comments for suggestions. Highly recommended product.